woodpecker house outside there on the southeast corner. I put it up. It's made out of cedar, and they finally used it and had babies. But now I got there enough of hunky buck or threats, and Leviticus is coming around, so I'm not sure if there's babies in there or not. But I try to be really quiet. I love my birds. I used to feed the lesser goldfinches. One time I kind of went overboard. I had feeders there where the black oil sunflower seeds. Oh my goodness. I had a red-winged blackbird infestation, and the wife just about flipped. But yeah, birds and rocks are cool.